It feels like there's more every day. Obviously, you have sales, what we call an insurance agent. Then there tends to be service, so account management, client interaction, underwriting, claims adjusting, actuarial, actuarial sciences, data analytics. Artificial intelligence is going to bring on a whole new set of careers, I'm sure. So it's a very deep field, and the need in the industry is pretty tremendous. Curiosity, I think, is the big thing. Trying to get to the bottom of why certain decisions are being made. Thinking what could go wrong? What can we do to help? So a lot of strategic thinking. Again, that curiosity, empathy. Typically, you're interacting with folks at pretty challenging times in their careers and in their lives. So anything that you can do to sort of help ease that emotional load. Like I said, there's a tremendous shortage of talent in the industry. Some studies that I've read are projecting that more than 50% of the insurance distribution workforce is going to be retiring in the next 10 years. So the opportunities are tremendous. The world feels like the world is spinning faster than it's ever spun before. So the risk issues are more severe. It's really an opportunity for that curious, that open-minded student to step into an industry that quite frankly, it's different every single day. So we see a tremendous opportunity, and we've been able to have very rewarding careers in the industry. So we enjoyed it. We are beyond excited for this scholarship. It's $1,000 a year, and qualifying student needs to have a GPA of 2.5 or better, and then be a resident in Wycomico, Worcester, Somerset, or Dorchester County. We hope that this is going to be a huge need to the next superstar in the industry, and we just look forward to working with them. That applicant for this scholarship, I think, we've really got to have that academic qualification of 2.5 GPA or better. We really like them to be a local resident, somebody from the area that plans on staying in the area. And then ultimately, it's some of those soft skills, the open-mindedness, the communication, the curiosity, strong work ethic. We think all those attributes combined, again, could just be a great stepping stone. And at the insurance market, we're just so honored to be able to have that opportunity to provide that assistance. So our agency was founded in 1900, and we've been family-owned for the last 3 generations. We've got offices in Salisbury, Maryland, Lauderdale, Delaware, and Milford, Delaware, and we love serving our local community. The way we do that is through personal insurance, so home, auto, boat, etc. Commercial, business-to-business insurance, financial services, employee benefits, and then finally our HR consulting company for small business. So anywhere that we can help our clients understand the risk and then strategize to work through those risks, that's what makes us happy, makes us proud. So my role is that I'm a principal, operating principal, so I help run the agency. I'm also responsible for working with business clients to identify strategies, identify risk issues, and then working through those risk issues. Sometimes that's insurance, sometimes it's not, but identifying the risk issues is certainly the most important part. What's my favorite part about my job? My favorite part about my job is helping my clients worry less about their risk issues so they can focus more on the things they love to do. So anytime that I can help a business owner, help a friend, help a neighbor lift that worry, lift that burden so they can go out and have a better business, have a better family situation, that's what we want to do. So we just want to be there to serve folks in that capacity. As far as emerging trends go, I think there's no shortage of risk issues when it comes to artificial intelligence and data analytics. I think these are are really new frontiers for us that we need to use extreme caution with. I think we need to be able to embrace these technologies, but be also very aware of their capabilities. We need to be concerned with just the shifting risk landscape as it relates to the speed at which things are happening, right? Cybersecurity is going to continue to be an issue. I think the business world is going to continue to be more and more complex for small businesses. So safety consulting, human resources consulting, I think what's going to be critical as we move forward is for business owners and for individuals to align with advisors and consultants that they trust, that they know that they can be there to give advice and to give guidance. Because one thing I think we can all agree on is that the world is getting more complex every day. It's a great question. There are a lot of niches that are developing, and again, I think in this industry, you can either go deeper or you can go wider. You can try to learn more. You can try to learn a little bit about a lot of subjects, or you can learn everything about one given subject. Neither path is the wrong path. But I do believe at the end of the day that there's a space for those specialties. So whether it be cybersecurity, whether it be human resources, whether it be how we're managing financial risk, these are all going to be concepts that we're going to be experts in. So the growing expertise there is going to be able to bring value to the marketplace. I think what's going to be interesting. So we have a unique process in our agency that's called Armor 360. And what we do is we essentially identify the risk profile of a business, and then we help develop strategies, both insurance and non-insurance related strategies, to mitigate that risk. Okay. So where I can see alignment with Wor-Wic's program is that we can have folks that are coming out with that 2-year associate's degree, that are from the area, that understand the area, that are ready to help us get out and deploy this process to more of our friends and neighbors. So ultimately, we see this as a way of not only helping to grow our business, but also to helping to secure and solidify sort of more relationships and in the community.